Hello, welcome to Math on Wednesday, April 1st. Today, to launch our learning, we're going to be looking at some situations with decimals. We've spent some time multiplying decimals, we've spent some time dividing decimals, and for the next 2 days, we are going to work on these different situations with decimals where we have to determine, are we going to multiply or divide? So let's look at these problems together and see how we do. Problem 1. Bryson earns $4.50 per hour while working on his chores. On Friday, he spent 1 7/10 of an hour completing his chores. How much money did Bryson earn on Friday? So with this problem, I know that he at least worked 1 hour, so he would get $4.50. And then I'm trying to figure out a piece of that $4.50. But I know my answer is going to be bigger than $4.50 because I knew he made that just working 1 hour and he worked more than that. So to figure out how much he is going to make, then I need to multiply those two numbers together to figure that out. Today, while you're working, your first step is going to be to read these problems and to determine, am I multiplying or am I dividing? Let's look at problem 2. Kindergarten is putting on their annual spring play. A picture of each student will be posted on the bulletin board listing their character in the play. Each picture is 65 hundredths of a meter wide, and the bulletin board is 6 5/10 of a meter long. How many pictures will fit along the wall? So in my head, I'm imagining this long bulletin board and then these smaller pictures. And so I'm trying to figure out how many of those will fit. So I need to take that large number and divide it into these smaller pieces for those pictures to fit. So when we are taking something larger and breaking it up into smaller pieces, then I know that's going to be division. So remember today, first step, am I multiplying? Am I dividing? We're really going to have to visualize what's happening in these problems. And then once we determine what we are doing, we have to follow through on that operation. You'll be solving about 5 problems today on your Google survey. Remember, once you submit the survey, the answers will pop up. I made sure today to put in there the equation so you could see maybe did I make a calculation error or did I get the operation wrong? So you can kind of reflect and think about what is kind of challenging for me today and what can I work on improving for my work the next day. Happy math, my friends. I'll see you tomorrow.